It needs a little repair. Let's have a look. Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! Now let's disassemble the excavator. Keep going. Perfect. Well, it all... Wow, what a hole! It needs to be welded in. Let's clean up the edges using a tool. Super duper! Perfect! Put a patch on it. Let's weld the edges. Move the tool around the edge of the patch. Super duper! That's great! Now let's paint. Keep going. You fixed it! There's something not spinning here. Uh-oh! Trash! Pick up all the items with the pliers. Super duper! That's great! Install the parts in the matching silhouette. That's it! The engine is broken. Let's take a look at it. Vacuum the dust and dirt. Awesome! Take apart the broken parts from the engine. Super! Awesome! Let's install the new parts in the engine. Super duper! Magnificent! Pour engine fluid by color into tanks. Keep going. Yay! All done. Now help to assemble Excavator. Keep up the great work. Let's improve the car. It's time to take the car to the construction site. Let's go! Keep going. Keep going. Let's go! Keep going. You gotta